This video is going to demonstrate using the Agility 360 Pallet Builder to build a pallet with batched items on it in SAP Business One. First, we're going to jump over to SAP B1 and take a look at our item. We're going to be using item FDO14, which is batch tracked. And we're going to go ahead and open up our bin location content list. We're going to be using bin 05D, which you can see has 4,795 items. But if we jump over to our batches, we are going to be using our batch number 200623 right here with a quantity of 2,500. Also, if we pull up our agility grid here, we have an agility inventory pallet view. It's going to show us all the pallets and cartons created in the system, and then it's sorted from most recent. Our new pallet will pop up at the top of this list when we're done creating it. And now we can bring up our mobile emulator, which is going to show Agility 360 exactly how it would look on a mobile device in your warehouse. Go to our distribution menu and switch over to pallets and bring up our pallet builder. This form would allow you to add items to a pallet that already exists in the system, but for this exercise, we're going to create a new pallet, which you can do by hitting enter. And now we're going to scan our item, FDO14, scan the correct bin, 05D, and scan our batch. Now that's all entered in, we're going to add a quantity of 10 to the pallet and hit enter. And now you'll see at the top of the screen here, our new pallet is created, 9664. If we need a pallet label, we can also hit our label button, which will allow us to print a label to any print in the warehouse. Now that our pallet's created, let's jump back over to our agility grid, and we can look at our inventory pallet view here. We're going to refresh, and you'll see our new pallet 9664 at the top of the screen with the correct serial or batch on it. And now we can jump back over to SAP Business One just to demonstrate that those items are still sitting in that bin location. So if we refresh here and bring up our bin location content list, we will see the same quantity in that bin location of 4,795. And if we drill down into our batch, we will also see that same 2,500 quantity for that batch because the items are still created in that bin. They're just now sitting on a pallet in the bin. Thank you for watching.